Today we are demonstrating chicken quesadilla. First thing I do, I put butter on my grill. Then I have my chicken, my onions and peppers. We do onions and peppers on our quesadilla. Heat the chicken up, heat the onions and bell peppers up. Put the cheese. It's about a cup and a half of cheese. Spread it all over. What you want to do is get the back of it crispy brown. And this good and hot. I'll take a couple seconds. So you have to prepare when you're doing but then when you have to prepare your chicken at a time and your onions. You spread it over like this. Then you fold it over. See how good and crisp brown that is? To get that texture gonna be real good. It's not greasy. You put just a little bit of butter. You don't put that much butter. You put a little bit. Flip it. Okay. After we plate it, on our plate we have sour cream, guacamole, and salsa. And they call it, that is our quesadilla. Like I said, it comes with onions, bell peppers. We do the red and we do the green. Order up.